solve this equation. First, I'm going to work at getting rid of this radical. So to both sides, I'm going to square both sides, and in doing so, the square root and the square cancel, and I bring down x plus 31. A common mistake here is that students want to just distribute this to the x and to the 1. You cannot do that when there's just adding or subtracting inside. This, in fact, means take this quantity and write it down twice. Now I'm going to FOIL the right-hand side. Front, outside, inside, last. I'm going to move everything to the right that contains the x squared. And I'm going to combine like terms as we go. So positive 1x and positive 1x is 2x. And 2x subtract 1x is 1x. Then I'm going to subtract 31, or excuse me, subtract 31. I have nothing left on the right. X squared plus 1x minus 30. A couple of different ways to do this. I'm going to solve this. You could use a quadratic formula. That always works. I prefer to factor when it's possible. What multiplies equal negative 30 and adds or combines to give you a positive 1. Positive 6 and negative 5. I don't have to worry about bottoms up because the number up front is a 1. I'm going to set both of these equal to 0 and solve. Now, before we can just assume that the answers are negative 6 and positive 5, I need to come back up to the top. And I do need to make sure this works. So, negative 6 and positive 31 is 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. Now it has to equal what I have on the right-hand side. Negative 6 plus 1 is negative 5. 5 is not the same quantity as negative 5, so that does not work. Extraneous solution. Now let's try positive 5. 31 plus 5 is 36. The square root of 36 is 6. And 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 does equal 6. We have one answer of x equals 5.